Hi, do you want to spend Durga Puja in Kolkata? Do you want to do pandal hopping and visit as many pandals as you can in one day? Well, I know I do. So let's get started. So this one is the first one of many, and this is going to be covering South Kolkata, namely Gariyaghat, Kalighat, Chetla, New Alipur and Rabindra Sarovar area. So we'll be starting with Gariyaghat, and we'll be starting at the Gariyaghat Moor, and this is going to be mainly like a walking tour. Most of the things will be walking, and sometimes you can use public transport, but you can always use your own cars. There's ample parking in many places, like under the Gariyaghat flyover. There's parking available where you can keep your car and spend the whole day, and maybe you can come back over there again. So let's get started with Gariyaghat crossing. So you reach Gariyaghat crossing, and from there the first pandal you go to is the Ekdalia one. It's called the Ekdalia Evergreen Sarvajanin Durgotsav, and it's just like 3-4 minutes from Gariyaghat crossing, walking distance, and you'll be following this route. After Ekdalia, you just exit the Ekdalia pandal, and from there you go to Falguni Shongo, which is just near the exit point of Ekdalia. So after visiting Falguni Shongo, you head towards the main road, and from under the flyover you cross the road and then head towards the third one, which is Shingi Park. And remember, all these places, if you visit in the evening time, it's going to be very crowded. So I advise you to do this in the morning if possible, so that it will be less crowded, and you can also have lunch in between. I've made the list in that way, so that there's a before lunch and there's an after lunch. Yeah, so getting back to this, now we're at Shingi Park, and from Shingi Park we'll be heading to Hindustan Road, where we'll be going towards Hindustan Park, Gariyaghat Hindustan Park. And from Hindustan Park you'll be heading to the main road, towards the main road, Rajbari Avenue, and then crossing the road and heading to Hindustan Park. The earlier was Hindustan Club, and this one is Hindustan Park. The Hindustan Club is, I think it's a small one, but it's on the way, so you can take a look at it if they do something good. So after Hindustan Park, you head westwards through Lake Terrace Road, I think. No, Jodunath Sarkar Road. Even I don't know the names of all these roads. There are so many of them. And the next one is Baliganj Cultural Association. And from Baliganj Cultural Association, you head towards Samat Sebi Shongo. And after that, you head towards the Rajbari Avenue again and cross the road towards Tridhara Sammilani. From Tridhara Sammilani, you head towards the exit. This is the exit route of Tridhara Sammilani, and you head out from here and onto the main road, and you reach Deshopriya Park. Now I would advise you to have lunch at somewhere over here, somewhere in between over here. There are a lot of places you can, like if it's a very popular restaurant like this one, like Hatari, or this one like Aud, then it's going to be extremely crowded, and I would suggest you to get a booking done before you visit Tridhara. Like you go over there, get your name written, and after visiting Tridhara and Deshopriya Park, then you have lunch. So after having lunch, you head towards Kalighat metro station. This place in the evening is extremely crowded, extremely, and I mean extremely. Like the road for walking becomes a one-way road. Like the footpaths are one way over here, starting from here. So it's going to be very crowded, and the first one you'll be reaching is you'll be walking from the metro station towards this one-way road, and on Nepal Bhattaji Street you'll be finding 3 pujas. The first one is Badam Tala Asha Shongo, After its exit, you'll find Cheshatti Polli Durga Puja Pandal, 66 Polli, and through the exit of that, after walking for like 5 minutes, not even that much, like 3-4 minutes, you'll reach this Charmathar More. And from here, many people I see like they go left towards the main road, but I would suggest you to come over here, Nepal Bhattacharyya Street, because they have been making some good pandals for the last few years, and it's definitely worth pushing the crowd. And after that, you come out from beside Toli Canal, and I know the route shows over here. You can go towards the main road, but using there's a small staircase over here, and using the staircase you can get onto the Jyotinda Setu, basically what we call Chetla Bridge, and from there you cross the Toli Nala, and there's another staircase over here from where you can get down. And after getting down over here, you can walk from the side of this road. It's not an official road, it's just a side passage, but you can walk from there. Google Maps will show you like the route like this, but you can just take the walk through here and onto the main road and onto the footpath of the main road. Don't walk on the road, please walk on the footpaths only. And from there, if you walk a little bit, you'll find Chetla Agrani Club. Just when you turn left over here, you can see the barricades so that you can go to Chetla Agrani Club. And this is the club over here. You'll be entering over here and exiting over here. So from here you have to make a decision where you want to go. Like I would suggest you go towards Shuruchi Shangho. So from here you can walk to Shuruchi Shangho using this route and reach over here. It's like 15 to 20 minutes walking distance. If you don't like walking, then you can get an auto from here, from the New Alipur Chetla crossing, and reach New Alipur petrol pump. From there, Shuruchi Shangho is just over here. You'll see the barricades over here, and if there's a line, you'll have to walk towards somewhere over here and start getting entry like this. Or if it's empty, then you can directly walk through here. And after that, you can walk towards Ravindra Sarovar Metro through the roads inside, through the inside roads, or you can take an auto or a bus from petrol pump, New Alipur petrol pump, and from there you can reach Taliganj Phari, and from Taliganj Phari you can reach Ravindra Sarovar Metro in, like, it's not much distance, it's just a little bit. If you didn't go to Shuruchi Shangho, which you should go to, I would recommend, you can come towards Kalighat and get one metro, or there are multiple autos available, and reach Mudiali. So from Mudiali, in Mudiali you'll have the Mudiali Club, which is also a very famous and old club. And after visiting Mudiali, you head towards Shiv Mandir, which is also a very old club. After visiting these two, you'll be done for the day, and you can watch a film in Menoga Cinema Hall. It's not bad. Or walk through the side of the lake. The lake is going to be closed. I think it's still closed since the COVID protocols began. And then you'll head towards Ravindra Sarovar Metro, and that's your exit point. I hope you like this video. If you want me to do another kind of video like checking out the places, the food places over here, like suggesting the food places over here, because I live around over here, I live in this area, and I can suggest some places for you if you are new to this area. And let me know in the comments. I hope you like this. Subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified of the next videos as soon as they're out. I'll catch you later. Bye bye.